Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simone. I hope you guys is having a wonderful day. As for me, I am having a fantastic day. In today's video, we will be cleaning and decorating my dining room for the spring. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please, I would love if you consider subscribing and becoming part of my YouTube family. To all of my oldie but goodies, I thank you guys so much for all of your love and your support. I truly appreciate it. Thank you. I'm placing this plant in the corner over there so I could get a little bit of height in that corner, and they're both from Burlington. I did not like the basket that the plant was in, so I took it out and I put it inside of that vase, and I actually like it better that way. That beautiful runner that is from Ross, that was a new purchase, and it was super inexpensive. I am using this Glam tray, and that is from Burlington, as well as those candlesticks. I am going to use these two locust candle holders that I got from Ross. I like to use them to embellish my candle holders, but you could usually find candle holders that looks just like that at Ross or Burlington. And I'm just going to add this small battery operated tea lights in there. And I found that small little flower at Ross. The Mommy and Me bunny, I found that at Home Goods. I'm going to use this Glam vase so I can put these cherry blossom that I found at Ross. They were $15.99, but I didn't like the pot, so I'm just going to place it in there. I found that beautiful canvas from Burlington, and that was my inspiration for today's decor as well, you guys. I thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys get some ideas and some inspiration as well. And I also hope you guys enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, You're the